Puro arte lang. Look, prangka tayo. They want me ousted. What's behind it? Itong si Trillanes. Wala, sundalo, mas buti pang security guard dito. And his ilk. Sino ang isa? Si Dilima. Gusto na niya akong paalisin. Wala naman akong ginawang exhibition. Pangatlo, si Lede. Natural. Kasi bakit pa siya maghintay kung nandyan yung opportunity? Barilin lang yan si ano. Well, so look at the people behind. Pagkagabi I was asked at the airport sa press conference, what can you say about the plan? You have the numbers. Sabi, look, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we just have had the elections. It's too early to be ousting people. Let Lenny, alam mo, hayaan mo siya. She has also to take a stand. I understand that. It's always the contrapelo yan. And that is natural sa politics. Pero yung to be ousting, too early kakatapos lang ng election. And for the, do you know why? I'm on my last time. Dapat malaman kayo nito.